if you're looking for where to go from here, we have quite a bit of choices for you. If you are, and especially if you want more just about the prompt engineering, this is really a good one because a lot of hands-on. The GAI 2001 today, and so pardon, not trying to be too not hard sales here on you as much as I'd love to see you to come back and try some of these things because it's only going to work well when you get to try it yourself. There are quite a few others in here. If you're a programmer, we have basically we have the coding assistance one, which is fun. And actually, I wrote that. And we have the ability to how to scale and build applications with us, deploying and scaling, or building projects with us. So we've got something for everybody: developers, end users, data scientists, DevOps folks. It's a tool like any other. Security people, if you need to worry about, risk management with it and how it works with AI, and NIST we've got a great course on implementing or working with the NIST AI risk management framework